973 here, Big Ass Redneck. We're here doing fucking drag racing and shit, and we're here fucking watching, and this shit is like amazing, and we just got here, alright, and do a little video for you, repping the fucking mud jug at fucking Cordova Dragway. Y'all stay tuned, we'll have some video footage of this shit later on.